Hello, my name is Faisal Ahmed and today we will discuss about physics of macromolecules. So first, macromolecules and rubber elasticity. Macromolecules are large, complex molecules that are fundamental to various biological and synthetic systems that typically consist of thousands or even millions of atoms arranged in a specific structure. Rubber elasticity is a fascinating property of molecules, especially elastomers exhibit the ability to undergo significant deformation and return to their original shape when the deforming force is removed. There are some key aspects of rubber elasticity in macromolecules. First, polymer chains and random coil configuration. Elastomers consist of long chain macromolecules as polymers that have a flexible backbone. These chains typically exist in a random coil configuration when unstressed, meaning they are in a disorder entropic system or state. When a rubber material is stressed and aligned along the direction of the applied force. Second is entropy and thermodynamic drive. The elasticity of rubber is primarily driven by entropy. In an unstressed state, the polymer chain are in a highly entropic state, disordered. When stressed, the entropy decreases because the polymer chain are forced into a more ordered, extended state. Third is temperature effect. Rubber elasticity is temperature dependent. As temperature increases, the polymer chains have more kinetic energy, leading to the greater tendency to return to their coiled entropic state after deformation. This is why rubber becomes more elastic with heat but can become brittle at very low temperature. Second topic is internal rotation and rotational isomerism. Internal rotation refers to the rotation of one part of a molecule around a single bond as sigma bond while the rest of the molecules remains stationary. This rotation is possible because sigma bonds allow for free rotation unlike double or triple bond which are rigid due to pi bonding. Barrier to rotation. Although sigma bonds theoretically allow free rotation, in practice there is a potential energy barrier to rotation. This is due to steric hindrance, atoms or group bumping into each other, and electronic effect. Example, the repulsion between electronic cloud of atoms or group attached to the rotating bond. For example, in ethane, the formula of ethane is C2H6. The internal rotation around the CC bond is not entirely free. The barrier to rotation, about 3 kilocalories per mole, arises due to repulsion between hydrogen atoms when they eclipse each other in certain rotation configurations. The other is rotational isomerism, also known as conformational isomerism. Refers to the existence of different spatial arrangement isomerism of a molecule that can be interconverted by rotation around single bond. These isomers are called conformers or retomers. Unlike other forms of isomerism, example geometric or structure isomerism, conformers are not permanent structure but can rapidly interconvert at room temperature. Example, butane. The formula of butane is C4H10. In butane, the rotation around the CC bond between the second and third carbon atoms give rise to several different conformers. Anti-conformation. The two methyl groups CH3 are on opposite side of the molecule, which is the most stable lowest energy conformation due to minimized steric hindrance. The third conformation is gauge conformation. The two methyl groups are closer together 60 apart, resulting in a slightly higher energy due to steric hindrance. The other is the rotational isomerism. There is a theory of macromolecules. The theory is an extension of the concept of rotational isomerism applied to large polymers chains or macromolecules. In macromolecules, internal rotation around single bonds give rise to various conformations, and this rotation flexibility plays a critical role in the physical properties and behavior of polymers. Since macromolecules consist of many repeating units, the overall shape and flexibility of the molecule are influenced by the cumulative effect of internal rotation around each other. So this is for all. Thank you.